Now what are we going to talk? I think that our life is changed for always, right? Any kind of situation is not very stable, change. But if we understand the impermanent, if you really understand the impermanent, usually we say, oh yeah, I understand impermanent, everything is impermanent. But we say, but we really not really understand the impermanent. If we have very good understand impermanent, even like something happened in your life, some up down, you're not very surprised because you knew this is not. However, you have more experience for the impermanent, right? Therefore, the benefit of understanding impermanent, if anything is change in your life, we understand this is the nature. You can accept that. Any kind of situation, when you accept that, then you probably become much smaller, much smaller. If we say we accept, means we not say you have to accept that you cannot do anything. It's not like that. Understand reality impermanent, things change up down. If you understand that, then try to find a solution without upset. We can do that. Because this is a hard difference, accept and not accept. How you can accept? You understand the reality impermanent. If you understand and if you accept, it's big difference, okay? Any situation, sometimes up, sometimes down, it's okay. Okay, that's it. Think about that.